Albert Szent-Györgyi Agora, the latest sensation in Szeged. The center was opened in December 2012 with the aim of presenting the research findings of the region in a simple and understandable way, and directing children's attention to the natural sciences. The new building of 6,750 square meters is operated by using modern technology, the heat of the earth, and solar energy. Sa Sor Sep Children's House, an important cultural facility in the city, also moved here. The Museum of Information Technology of the University of Szeged is a special attraction, exhibiting relics from the heady early days of computers: M3, Ural-2, Razdan, Ladybird from Szeged. On the first floor, we can see curiosities which were even rarities at the time they were produced, while the rooms on the second floor exhibit 20th century mass-produced computers that still function. The laboratories were designed to show the interesting features of the natural sciences to visitors young and old.